I'm obsessed.
No one's ever been in before.
Man, I'm having stage fright.
I don't want to spoil it.
If you have ever wondered what it is like to see an empty Disney World,
We're having a private party at Magic Kingdom.
Clay, where are we?
we just got to the Grand Floridian.
Look, the monorail's right there. Yeah, we're here on a Disney influencer trip. Disney brought us down to check out the new Tron ride and surprise us with a lot of other fun stuff. We are here for all the Disney thrills. So thanks for having us, Disney.
For real.
Let the magic and the thrills begin.
It's been a great first day here. We had checked in at the Grand Floridian earlier and got the little press gifts. We got our lanyards.
Credentials. They provided some snacks that were delish, and then we got on the bus and came to Animal Kingdom.
We have some lightning lane things later in the afternoon. So we decided to ride Dinosaur because we didn't have a lightning lane for that. And after that, we had some lunch Dino Nuggies. Yeah, it was great. And now we're gonna go meet our friend Andrew and his +1 Alex to go see Finding Nemo, written by the Book of Mormon musical people, Bobby Lopez and Bobby and
Kristen.
Not Bobby and Priscilla Lopez.
Priscilla Lopez.
If you're a musical theater person, you'll get why that's funny.
Best.
It's so much fun.
I love that ride. Nemo was amazing. I always love going to see it. I know we see it, I've seen it often, but I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Performances are so good. I'm like, they do that how many times? Like 5-6 times a day?
And multiple casts, of course, but yes.
Sure, but gosh, it's so good. The voices, the guy who plays Marlin messaged me on Instagram and was like, come see the show and I'll like put you on the VIP list and have a meet and greet with the cast. And we got to do that, which always just like adds to the magic.
Can you say hi? Woo! Sorry to interrupt. The bar, the Thirsty River is our bar. And we gotta stop here and say hi to our bartender. Sorry, y'all. I got a blue margarita, half tahini, half salt. And we just got a...
I don't mind if it's called the Frozen something fall.
Frozen something. I just realized that our colors match our shirts. Pink and blue. Now we are in line with a lightning lane, thanks Disney, for the Kilimanjaro Safari. It's a rainy day today, but you can't come to Animal Kingdom and miss that opportunity to see these animals. I'm hoping to see an okapi, which is my favorite animal, and I learned about the okapi for the first time on this Kilimanjaro Safari. One time someone pronounced it differently. They said okapi or something, and I was like, I was on TikTok, but TikTok went viral and they called it okapi. So we found a cute spot right here at the base of the Tree of Life, and we spent the last like 20 minutes working on a little TikTok/Instagram reel dance. Took us a few tries, but we got it. So if you want to watch that, go check out my or Clay's Instagram and my TikTok. It'll be there, and maybe even on YouTube Shorts. And if it's so, it'll pop up here.
Now we're going to a private viewing of Festival of the Lion King, and we get to have like a little meet and greet with some cast members afterwards.
I haven't seen this since pre-COVID, actually, so I'm excited to see what it's like.
Oh, yay.
It'll be fun. We're leading all of the influencers and Disney creators in to a private screening.
They might watch
Center stage.
Center stage, baby. Boom. Ta 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 ta. Rawr. The entire show was amazing. We were the private audience here. It was like just 2 or 3 rows deep all around.
Yes, it was. They put their hearts out on that stage for like the 200 of us that are here. It was very, very, very special.
Pretty epic. They were so great. All the flying and then the fire, the monkeys. The monkeys are probably my favorite part.
For sure.
Because they're cute too, you know what I'm saying? And now we're having private little meet and greets with them. So we took pictures with the cast over there, and there's a group right here.
If you have ever wondered what it is like to see an empty Disney World, It is after hours. The park is closed.
All of this was packed with people earlier.
Yes, I mean normal Disney craziness.
Yeah.
And now, what? I couldn't do that if there were hundreds of people. That's all. They escorted us to Africa and we had dinner in this private area. It was delicious. And we had dessert. I'm gonna get more dessert.
Yeah.
They have fresh, hot beignets. Then they have little like bowls of different kinds of sugar. So there's like a cinnamon sugar, there was like a raspberry sugar, a coffee sugar. What kind of sugar did you get?
Raspberry sugar.
And I got cinnamon sugar.
I just got a little hot tea because it's not cold, but
It's
the
nighttime.
sun's gone down.
Yeah.
The sun goes down in Africa.
What?
Sun goes down in my part of town.
Yeah, you mixed two songs.
I know, I changed it to Africa because we're in Africa. We're walking around Pandora. It's open just for us. It's really pretty. We're underneath the floating rocks. This is absolutely stunning. I've never been here at night. I've only seen pictures, and pictures can't even do it justice. It's beautiful. Avatar time! Oh my gosh. After a long day, I got up at 3, because I got up at 4:15. We just checked into our hotel. It's stunning.
Yo, this is beautiful.
The camera does not even do it justice. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the carpet. Cherry Tree Lane. Oh my gosh, Mary Poppins is in the air. Wow. Private balcony.
Ooh, this is huge.
Wow.
Look at all this space.
Oh, it smells like vacation. So good night from the Grand Floridian. We're gonna pass out. We're gonna shower and pass out, and then
Yes.
we have an early day tomorrow. But it's so exciting. All the Disney thrills. They keep coming at us.
Tomorrow's schedule is like jam-packed of our favorite rides.
So
all
just-
tomorrow.
So don't stop watching.
Seriously.
Fun's just getting started.
Let's do it. But first, good night.
It's early and we are starting day 2. Hello, hello. Oh my gosh. The sun's not even out, and actually the moon is out. So we opened up the windows and we were like, gosh, we went to sleep when it was dark and we're waking up when it's dark. But it'll be worth it because today is going to be filled with thrills.
Well done.
That's cool, right?
First thing I've gravitated towards.
Yeah. Man. Just getting off the bus at Hollywood Studios. It's been a party. We love getting to connect with all the people on the ship. It's too early. We love getting to connect with all the different people on the bus and on the rides and stuff. Getting to meet other content creators is really fun. It's been good. The sun's coming up, as you can see.
Yeah, it is. All right, we just walked into Hollywood Studios and we are about to do a little private breakfast with some Pixar pals. We don't know who it is yet.
We wore our
but
Pixar shirts that were sent to our P.O. box.
naturally.
So thank you, Sherry, for sending those to us.
Thank you.
This is so cool.
Amazing.
This is so awesome. They roped off this Pixar area for all of the influencers. It's all open and there's food stations and we're excited to have some yummy food.
Breakfast. I didn't see that there were Mickey waffles and I'm very excited.
Yum. Which juice are you gonna do? Gonna do a green juice?
The green one with kale and
Ooh.
spinach. Welcome. I love Fruit Loops. That is good.
Disney Fruit Loops too.
It's so cold that it like froze together. It's like Frozone.
Probably
I think I just
exactly
put
what
that
it's
together.
about, yeah.
Yum. Also, I only ever want to eat cereal out of a martini glass from now on. So, take note.
Oh yeah, look at these two. Yes, absolutely. Thanks so much. Have a good one.
Disney Parks is highlighting all their thrill rides, so we are about to do Tower of Terror, one of my personal favorites.
We're trying to knock out all the 4 big ones.
Yes, we did Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, we did Midway Mania,
Yeah.
and we did Slinky Dog Dash, which is one of my favorites as well.
Now it's time for Tower of Terror.
Yeah, we are getting a preview of the new Roundup Rodeo BBQ.
No one's ever been in before this group. Come on in.
Let's do it. Hey, Landon.
Landon!
Channel.
This is.
Hey guys!
Hey,
We did Guardians of the Galaxy or something like that.
Yeah, we did Tower of
Tower
Terror.
of Terror, and we're getting ready to do Guardians.
Guardians is next.
But that's in Epcot, right?
Yeah,
That's in Epcot. That's the next park.
It's gonna be great.
Let's see this restaurant.
Okay, let's go.
I know, it smells a little bit like barbecue.
Today's a big day, pal.
How awesome.
This
This is huge. Hey! Look at, we're like the size of a toy.
So this restaurant is opening soon, right outside of Toy Story, or right inside of Toy Story Land. Here.
It's Toy Story themed.
Toy Story themed, yes, and we're in the middle of Hollywood Studios. Man, I loved Toy Story as a kid. I mean, I still love it. I'm rocking an alien shirt. But when I was a kid, I mean, I was really little when the movie came out, but I used to collect all the toys. So this would have been magnificent to see as a kid, and it's making me really happy even as an adult. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it? You like it?
The milk.
The milk. The milk's so cool. I'm not sure it's a bathroom or something. Maybe that's backstage for the cast member. It's cool. What do you think? You like it?
Sick.
It's sick, right?
Everything's like, no, it makes me feel small. Everything's like big.
And you're tall.
It's like
You're
we're
6'3", so that's a pretty big accomplishment if they can make you feel small. Hey, ready? Oh my gosh, yes! We love a pirouette. That was beautiful. We got a dancer here. So this is a sample menu of everything they're gonna have. Trash. I'm trash. Ooh, and these drinks look yummy too. Oh, come on. I want all of this. Ooh, and street corn. I'm a big street corn fan. Which one would you pick? If you could pick of all the food, which one would you pick?
Me?
Mac and cheese, salad.
Mac, I would choose everything. Well, not everything, but a lot of it.
That's fair. A lot of it looks good, huh? Clay has been replaced. Clay's no longer on the channel. It's just us two. No, us three. Clay's out. It's the three of us.
Right there.
Oh, Clay's right there.
Oh, shh. He heard us. He heard us. Sorry, Clay. Sorry. Chris and Clay vlog is no longer. This is a little food preview. We're excited. It's iced tea. Is that what that is?
Yeah, peach iced tea.
I love peach iced tea.
Southern style peach iced tea.
We
We got
already
some
ate it,
ribs.
so just look at this one.
Yeah, look at that
Oh, yeah.
one.
Oh, that's great.
Forky.
Yours is gone.
All the Forkies have different faces. I would be able to show you, but they both ate their Forkies.
Honestly, that's okay. Was the forky cupcake
Mine had a
good?
smile.
It's okay, yeah.
And
Appreciate
his
honesty.
had this.
And I ate the ribs too fast to take a video of them. The biscuit.
Biscuit?
We had like a warm cheese biscuit.
Yeah.
Look what I just
Delicious.
took.
Licorice.
Is that his arms?
No, it was tied around.
Well, it was his arms.
Okay,
Now
okay.
they're gone.
Yeah.
Now
was
he's
armless.
just trash. Forky
In my belly.
in my belly.
What are you doing? You dancing? I love it. All right, back to the sunshine. We are now off to Epcot. Did you get the shot, Kent? Did you get the shot?
I'm trying. He's in Encanto.
Oh my gosh, yes. How you feeling? You feeling good?
Feel real
Yeah.
good. Ready.
Ready?
The next stop
Excited?
in our mission.
Yes, Chris, it's
Yeah.
snowing in New York.
Oh my gosh. Look at the sun here. No, don't look at the sun, but it's right here. Friends, how we doing? Loving the Disney experience? The Disney thrills?
Of our life.
We're new pals. Got to meet yesterday.
We did.
We go way back.
Fast friends.
Fast friends.
NYC, baby.
Yeah, baby. Brooklyn, Manhattan, you know, got a bond.
We just got to quest number 3.
What are we doing?
We're gonna ride Guardians of the Galaxy. We're gonna ride Guardians of the Galaxy Comic Rewind.
Comics?
Xandar stands
We're gonna ride. Oh yes, run, run, run! We are about to ride Gazi. We're about to ride quest number 3, Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, my all-time favorite.
And look how cool the queue is. I don't want to spoil it, but the queue for this ride, all the way through to when you're actually on the roller coaster, is so inventive, magical, and surprising. It's one of my favorite Disney thrills here at Epcot. It's one of the newest ones too. Guardians is just the best ride there is. We haven't ridden the Tron ride with the group yet, but we're excited to do that.
I mean, first of all, the way that it starts, then the way that the car turns and like dips you to the side. Oh, it's so good.
Now we are off to the Mexico Pavilion to meet a new friend, have a drink, and have some lunch. We met our pal Sebastian over in Mexico. We had some delicious margaritas, including
Avocado margarita.
Yeah.
We had some of the stuff that they were offering just for the Flower Garden Festival.
We are here at the Tron Experience. This is the barcade set up specifically for our influencer trip. Oh my gosh, no way! That's so cool!
I'm nervous.
Did you play it? Are you gonna play it, Clay?
I want you to play it.
No. Thank you.
Oh, fun.
Oh, wow. Are we in heaven? heaven. That's what heaven looks like. It's all themes like neon. And there's some champagne, etc. And
We're
it's
like
all,
inside
Oh my gosh!
a
And there's
video game
Morgan,
right
and we
now.
love Morgan. Queen Morgan. This is amazing. She told us about it earlier. It's so cool. Thanks, Morgan. Morgan's the best. We love her. We're having a blast. So thanks so much for having us, and we're excited to explore the barcade.
Thank you for sending us here, Disney. We are backstage right now.
We're having a private party at Magic Kingdom. There's no one here.
So maybe Google it or get a bag of goodies.